What is going on, guys? My name is Aaron and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is my wife's 2020 MQB Tiguan. Now, it is 1 a.m. She just went to sleep upstairs. She doesn't know I'm doing this yet, and I'm really excited for her to find out. I think she's gonna enjoy it quite a bit. We're gonna be installing probably the cheapest and one of the most fun mods that you can do on my wife's car back here, and that is a ECS tuning diverter valve spacer. Let's go ahead and throw this on there. This should only take a few minutes. All we need is an Allen key to take off 3 screws. We place this inside and replace the screws with the given ones here, and we should be good to go, and we'll go take it for a little quiet test drive.
Definitely gonna be real quiet. I think that's a cockroach down there. It's definitely dead, but I don't like cockroaches. I don't like cockroaches at all. Here we go. Again, I don't think she'll notice, and even if she does hear a noise, she probably won't do anything about it, but we're still gonna be nice and sneaky.
There's a little Allen key right there. That's one of the 3, and there's another one down here somewhere, and then on the back side. Take this off here. Make it a little bit easier. Right there. We're gonna take that off. Replace the screws with the ones they gave us that are a bit longer, and that's it. This just so happens to be the same Allen key that we used to make some furniture earlier. And it just happens to be, it's just loose. It was sitting in my toolbox and it just happens to be the same size. So that's what I call luck right there. Let's see here.
A few minutes later.
So I actually took the intake off just so I could reach things a little bit better. You can stick a rag inside of the intake, which I definitely recommend to do. But just, if you don't, just be very, very careful not to drop anything down there. Now did I get it? I think yeah, there it goes. Yeah, that's the stuff right there. That's what we like to see. This is where we're working with here. So the screwdriver's on the end of the bottom screw there. And then there's an upper in the back and then in the front. The directions said to get this guy on at 10 foot-pounds, which really isn't very much. All right, this back one I was able to get my little tiny ratchet on, but the front one, well, I might be able to. Okay, there's that one, and then the last one down in the bottom. Cool. All right, let's get the intake put back on. Yeah, probably just give me a second and I'll do that. But yeah, I'm gonna put that back on. I'm gonna wash my hands really quick and then go take it for a quick test drive and we'll see how it goes. I assume if she can go to work and not wake me up, that I should be able to leave real quick and not wake her up. But we'll find out. All right, we're gonna do sport. All right, it's had a second to warm up, so let's go try it out. I'm gonna let that car drive away real quick. All right, it's completely empty.
On both sides. Let's try it out. Can you guys hear that? That sounds so nice. Wow, that sounds so cool. Like, this car is 100% stock. There is not even an upgraded air filter in this thing. It is 100% stock. Okay, so actually I went ahead and rolled the windows up, and you can hear it even better with the windows up. You can even hear the actual turbo noise this time. It actually flutters with the windows up. Maybe just with the windows cracked. Oh, dude, this is so much fun. You guys should absolutely get this. It was kind of a pain in the butt to put in, but it was absolutely worth it. Like, and it was only a pain because it's hard to reach some of the screws. Not for anything else. It's just kind of hard to reach, but yeah, dude, you should absolutely get this. Even at the regular price of like 72 bucks or whatever it was, you should seriously do this. If you're not going for a high power build and you're just going for something fun and enjoyable, absolutely get a Valve. This is so much fun. Here, let's book it on this turn. Oh, man. All right, sheesh. Get it. Absolutely get it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. Leave a like on this video. Comment down below. Have you done this? Are you going to do this? Let me know down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Drink water and be safe, and I will see you later, guys.